Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to study about box model border. For all the new users, click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get regular updates. Click to make a new file. Click on the previous code and copy and paste it here. Change this to border. Click on the live preview to continue watching the changes. First of all, give a background color to all the paragraphs to view the changes. Use syntax background color. Let it be boldly wood. Save this. You can see the changes. Now what we are going to do is to use the syntax for changing the border. There are again different ways. The first is in one syntax we are going to specify about the border width, style and color. In the second way, we are going to use a syntax for border width, then border style, then border color. So first we're going to try the simple method, specifying everything in just one syntax. First is to give the width, followed by the color you want to use. Let it be, you can pick it from color picker. Use Control Alt plus K. Pick any color from here. I think red will be good enough. Enter. Give a space and then the style. Let the first style be groove. Now save this. You can see a nice red color border here. I know at the end the colors will really look awful, but for learning purpose it's all okay. In the second box we are trying three different syntax for setting the width, style and color. So one is for the width. Again, you can use a single value or two values, one for top and then bottom, and or four values, one is for top, then right, then bottom and then left. I'm going to use two values here, 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Give it a semicolon. Next is for the border style. This time I want the border style to be rich. And the border color, I can choose from color picker. This time I want something in green. Okay, give a semicolon and hit on save button. You can see another type of border here. Now in the third box we are using another parameter, that is border radius. First we're going to copy all the three syntax from above. Copy it here. I just want to change the color here. Let me give it light pink. I want to use another syntax for border radius. It will decide the curviness of your border. And I set it to 10 pixel and click on save. Curved border here. The more you're gonna increase the value of border radius, the more circular it will be. In order to form a complete circle, you need to adjust the height, width, and border radius. So this was all about box model border. In the next video, we are going to learn about box model outline. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.